Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, hey, I'm Nathanie, and please be sure to subscribe down below, hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I do upload. And for my returning subscribers, hey my beautiful people, hope you guys are doing well. On today's video, I did this like soft glam. I think no, it's not soft glam. It's like, for me, this is natural. It looks natural, but it ain't. It ain't. Nothing about me. Okay, no, a lot of things about me is very natural, but when it comes to my makeup, I'm full glam or nothing at all. So I actually really am feeling this look. I'm about to go steal some people's men. I'm kidding. I am kidding. But if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please carry on watching, and I will see you next time.